Hey guys, I'm back with another super tasty Indo-Chinese recipe of veg Manchurian, and today we'll be preparing this in gravy form, and this is quite simple recipe to replicate, and this you can enjoy with some Hakka noodles or some fried rice on the side, for which also you can refer to one of my videos. So without further ado, let's get started. To prepare this yummylicious veg Manchurian gravy in a large mixing bowl, first I'm going to take 1 cup of very finely chopped cabbage. You can grate the cabbage also. Next, I'm adding half a cup or about 1/4 cup of grated or very finely chopped again carrot I'm using. Make sure all your vegetables are very finely chopped, or you can grate them also. You can use food processor for this. Next, I'm adding spring onion. Next goes in handful of capsicum and 8 to 10 beans, again very finely chopped. Next to this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of maida, that is all purpose flour, along with 3 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt, pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce or paste. I'm using the paste here, and then I'm going to sprinkle very little water to mix everything. And now with the help of my hands, I'm going to mix everything really well to form a dough-like consistency. So keep mixing it for a while, and if you feel the mixture is very dry, then you can sprinkle little more water, and if you feel the mixture is very wet, then you can add just a teaspoon or two of corn flour or maida again. So after mixing it for a minute, you can see it has come to a dough-like consistency just like this. It's not very sticky also. Now with the help of my greased hands, I'm going to form small roundels out of it. So take a small portion of the mixture and form small roundels. So today I'm making these size balls, but if you want, you can make bigger or smaller balls as per your preference. So keep rolling these to make a smooth ball, and this is how it looks. This one ball or one Manchurian ball is ready. Keep this aside and likewise prepare all of them. So I prepared all the Manchurian balls. This entire batch is ready. Next, I'm going to heat up oil for frying over medium-high heat. Once the oil is heated at medium-high heat, I'm going to drop one by one all the Manchurian balls and fry them in batches. Do not put too many at a time, and fry these balls over medium-high flame only, so that they are nicely cooked from inside as well. So I'm going to fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure not to turn them very dark. So I fried these for almost 3 to 4 minutes. You can see it's getting nicely cooked. It's getting good golden brown color on top. Do not turn them more dark. I like this color, so I'm removing them. This is how it looks. It's beautifully done on all the sides and fried enough. I'm going to remove them and keep it on the kitchen towel. Likewise, fry the another batch as well. Remove them out and place it on the kitchen towel. So this entire batch of veg Manchurian balls are ready. If you want, you can enjoy as it is with some dip, ketchup or Szechuan sauce on the side, and use it as a starter. Next up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Once it is heated over medium-high flame, next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Next goes in 2 to 3 slit green chilies, some spring onion whites, and saute everything on high flame just for a minute. After that, I am going to add 1 onion which I have cut into cubes like this, and 1 small capsicum again cut into cubes. Cook everything on high flame just for 1 more minute, and then I am going to lower the flame and add some sauces into it. So first I am adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce for sweetness, as well as it will balance all the tangy flavors. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce or paste. So I am using just the same paste which I used earlier, followed by 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. This Szechuan sauce is really flavorful, friends. Do give it a try. You can refer to one of my video. I'll give that link in the description box below. And after that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Next goes in very little salt, as all the sauces have enough salt in them, and mix everything really well. Cook all the sauces just for a while. Once all the sauces are beautifully combined, we'll add in 2 to 3 cups of water. And now let the water come to a good boil. So while the water is getting heated, we'll quickly prepare the cornstarch or the corn flour slurry, for which here I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and we'll mix in half a cup of water. Stir it well so that no lumps are seen. This is done basically to add thickness and little shine to the gravy. And now the water is also nicely heated. Give it a mix and then we'll start adding this slurry in 2 batches. So add the first batch and then mix it continuously all the while so that no lumps are formed. So keep mixing it and keep adding the slurry until the entire slurry is used up and cooked along with the water. And now after 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see it's getting thicker and it's cooked along with the sauces, and it's also getting richer and deeper in color as they are getting cooked. So today we're making this gravy form, but if you want to make this like slightly dry or semi-dry form, then you can simply skip the water, like the water which we added here, 2 to 3 cups of water. Don't add that water and just add 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with half a cup of water for a slightly thicker base, and then you can adjust the sauces and seasoning accordingly. So this is how it looks. I cooked it for almost 4 to 5 minutes. It's this thick, saucy base flowing gravy is ready, and you can check the salt and seasoning also here. If you want, you can also alter the color and taste by adjusting some more sauces in it. So I checked the gravy. I added some salt and pepper here. The gravy looks good to me. I have tasted it and checked, and now at this stage we'll add in the fried Manchurian balls along with the spring onion greens and give it a good mix. And let it cook for another 2 more minutes. Do not cook it for long here as they might get very soft and soggy. And then after cooking it for 2 minutes, I'm going to switch off the flame and it's ready to be served hot and looks so luscious. You can see. You can enjoy this with some fried rice or noodles on the side and garnish it with some more greens on top. I'll just serve one ball and show you, one Manchurian ball, and I'll just pour some more gravy on top. You can see how luscious this gravy is looking. By seeing only you can make out how creamy and smooth it has come. We'll break and show you. It's super soft and delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe today. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.